Hi, this is Sam with Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this DeLonghi EC680 espresso machine, and Mark's testing another machine next to me, so we'll focus on this one. So today the customer reported that the portafilter was not pouring water through it, and then it would actually rotate all by itself. When the machine was turned on, it would rotate to the left and come undone, kind of like there was a ghost in the machine. So we got the ghost out. So actually what we did was we replaced this clogged filter screen, and that allowed the water to flow through fine. And then we replaced this O-ring in the group head, and that prevented it from sliding when it's under pressure. Now let's go ahead and test it. See, it makes a great shot with good crema. The portafilter stays here at the clothesline. It doesn't move at all, even when under pressure. So thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.